In front of me is DOOGEE X55, and let me show you how to personalize text-to-speech feature. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select languages and input, go to virtual keyboard, to text-to-speech output right here, and you can smoothly personalize it by changing speech rate and also pitch. But at first, let's take a look at the example.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Then you can change speech rate and also the voice, the pitch.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
It's definitely too fast.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And you can leave it this way, or you can change it as only you want to, so make it super quick if you want to have it. And also the voice can be super tiny, but it's actually worth nothing, so I will change the speed, change the pitch, and if you would like to reset it, just tap on reset speech rate and reset the speech pitch. So this is how you can personalize your text-to-speech output. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.